And I got a box in today. This is from a brand called Dahlman Chocolates.
Cool. It almost looks like a book.
It does look like a book. A 25-piece Easter chocolate box set.
Oh, that's so cool.
Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, that looks cool.
How pretty is that?
So good. Polished. Oh, toasted coconut.
Oh, and it's white on the bottom.
Yeah.
That is yummy. You're not a coconut kid.
I'm not a coconut, but that's
That's
not
good.
bad. Dreamy passion.
It's dark
that
up.
looks cool. And it's still polished.
So it's like fruity, but not like, oh my gosh, that's good. And lemon pie.
And it says Happy Easter.
Cheers.
Oh, that's like actual like lemon pie.
Oh, that's good.
That's
I like that
probably
one.
my favorite so far.
Picture for the two of these, PB&J and sea salt and caramel, look the
should be
same.
like-
Here we go. Oh yeah, you got, I got PB&J. It's like a peanut butter and jelly with some chocolate on it. That's good. They're rich. So rich. All right, MJ thinks he found a caramel. You try that one and tell me if it's caramel or not.
Okay.
Yep, that one's caramel. Let me try a bite.
Oh,
Oh, that one is
it's a
heaven.
messy caramel, but it's good.
Oh, that one's good. These are so cute. Look how they look like they're
They all
so
look like something you would get
pretty.
for like dessert at a restaurant.
berries and cream. Cheers. It's good. I like that one.
You can just take the whole.
Oh, the bottom
off.
came off because they are handmade.
They are.
Yeah, they're all handmade. All right, so those are all of the chocolates. We enjoyed trying those out. They were kind enough also to give me a discount code. If you guys are interested, I will put all the information down below. Your top and your bottom.
I'm gonna go with the berries and cream as my top.
Dreamy Passion is my top. What's your bottom?
Oh, PB&J.
Me too, but I'm not a big PB&J person.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go coconut.
Ooh,
'Cause I'm
yeah,
a
you're
big
not a coconut person at all. So, hope you guys enjoyed these. If you need to pick up a treat for Easter, this is a great one to grab.